Well, alright, friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? Monday afternoon here. Just thought I would do a quick sales video. Sales on eBay were a little on the slow side. Um, Totally my fault. I've only listed a couple items in the past 2 weeks due to the last 2 weeks have just been a whirlwind of information and lots of things with Joni. So, strictly my fault for not actually putting the time here on eBay. But we'll go over what I sold. Maybe it can help someone. With and I've got a lot of the usual suspects, so shouldn't take very long to cruise through this. All right. Do I need to start off by telling you that Sony sells? Bueller. All right, this is a cassette alarm clock. Got $1 into it from a yard sale. Um, it works fine. Jacob got a little bit of a glare on that one, but you kind of show the condition of it. It's in better than average shape. No issues, no major scratches. You got $19.99 plus $8 to ship it, and that was drop shipped by someone who was giving it to a good friend. No invoice. All right, next up, another one of the dollar jerseys that I purchased at a yard sale. I think I purchased 15 or 16 at one time. This was Marcus Mariota from the Tennessee Titans. It's in very nice shape. It is a $21.99 sale. So, hey, thank you, Marcus. Appreciate that. I don't know where Joni got this grown alchemist from. I've had it listed for just a little while. Maybe 6 weeks. So, if I'm not mistaken, it came in a Birch box or some. She gets a Birch box, and there's another one that she gets too, once a month. So, I get a lot of donations from her. The stuff she's not going to use. This got some value to it. This one, $21.95. That was a good one because most of the time the Birch box is $5 or $10. So yeah, we've actually I made money on one of her things at it for a change. All right, this is called Shenmue. I have no idea what it is. It is a Dreamcast game, and you can see it was a multiple game. It's taking a little while to sell. Came from Ohio on the Highway 127 yard sale. Got 20 cents into this. So 20 cents into $43.95. That was an outstanding deal. Still have maybe 12 or 13 more games. So I look forward to selling them this Christmas season and being out of those. This guy, the package is sealed, but it does have damage. You can see where they had the security things around it at Walmart. That's where I picked this up. It's been so freaking long. I don't have a clue what I paid for it. But it is a Sony 8 gigabyte MP3 player. You can see I had it on Amazon. Actually, you can see there on the Amazon sticker. I had it listed in good use condition because of the packaging, even though it was brand new. And it had sat and sat and sat, so I drug it back instead of paying more and more fees on it. Finally sold it on eBay, $98.95. That's a good sale. Well, in relation to, I don't know, it's $100. I don't truly know if it's a good sale or not. Another pair of these Nike shoes, starting to run low. Ooh, how many we got? 6, 7, 8. Got 10 pairs left. So, yeah, started out with 26. So, they're coming. Is this the one I took a best offer? Yeah, somebody offered $64.95 plus the 11 shipping. So, hey, more power to them. You bought them. This guy here, I have very good luck with these Brother label systems, the P-Touches. This one was actually in the box. Showed them it had all the stuff in it. And the Jack get a picture of it had a bunch of cartridges in it too. So they got all these cartridges. I might have done something with them, but with the used cartridges, oh, what the heck. It's just a bonus. So I got $39.99 shipped. Thank goodness this thing went cubic shipping. It was right on the edge of cubic shipping because I believe I sent it to Hawaii. Something crazy like that. Even with cubic shipping, it was like $13. Yeah, that sucked. I know you're gonna be shocked, absolutely shocked to see that you've watched me in all these yard sale videos and everything else, and estate sales, pick up all these cordless phones and tell you how good they do, and I never sell them, never get them listed. This one was a touch different. This is a cool one of the latest ones from Panasonic. You can see the word Bluetooth there in the picture. You can actually Bluetooth your cell phone to this system, and then as long as the Bluetooth is connected, you can hit the handset locator or the cell phone locator, and it'll make your cell phone beep as long as it's connected to the thing. So that, I thought that was pretty interesting for one of these home telephone systems. So I paid $3 at an estate sale and I got $30 for it. So it's a good trade. This guy here, I have like $5 into it, maybe six. Took a best offer of 17 and shipped first class. So I've just had this thing for a long time. I don't know why I never. Oh, I know why I never saw it on Amazon, because there was not a listing for it. I didn't feel like making a listing. I don't generally like to make Amazon listings when it's only one item and I only have one of it. If it's a one-off, because the chances of somebody finding it and all that crazy mess. This guy here sold 3 more of them. 7 left. The never-ending battle to get rid of the Star Shower, because that company right there is terrible. Never buy anything from that company right there. I'm not going to say their name, but you can see it. Right. I have $12 into these, so at $22.95, buying 3, the shipping, I actually made a couple dollars, but not much. It's been a point of get rid of these things. I've had them for a couple of years. I'm tired of looking at them. Filtrete water filter. These things, I got $1 each into them. As you can see, it says 3 sold there. The same person bought 3 of these. I think I've got like 1 more. Why do I not have 1 more listed? I need to verify that my inventory is accurate. So I got $16.95 times 3. So that's why I showed these up here. And I had $1 into them. So that was $3 made. What, 34, 61, right at $60 and some change. So that was a very nice sale. I was very pleased when that came along. Only thing was even better than that one was this one. You guys should have seen me pick this up at an estate sale. It is a Slingbox 500 digital media streamer. Be on the lookout for these. I think Lonnie sold one a little while back, and I sold this one. You know, it's got all the great inputs. It's got anything with HDMI out on it. It's still pretty modern. This one you can plug your network into it, and you can still do older TVs with it as well. Basically, all I did was test it. Everything worked on it, and then there's a reset button. I don't think you see it. It's right there by the power plug. So I just hit the reset and reset the whole thing back to factory. Pretty easy to do, and yeah, so that was a nice little profit there. I mean, the estate sale had it priced up pretty good. I mean, 45. I was the only one looking at it. I was 2 hours late. So the chance of them selling on the first day was slim and none if I didn't come in and pick it up. So they did well, I did well. So the first day of an estate sale, don't let people fool you that, oh, the prices are high. And, yeah, there are a lot of estate sale companies. We've got one here in town. MJ is very reasonable. So some things, when she knows there's the value in people, she's been doing it for quite a while, so she understands her customer base, and some things, you know, like this, it's not in her customer's wheelhouse. So, but she does have some folks like me who are resellers will pick this kind of stuff up. All right, last on the list on this little video here, I've had this for a long time. Battleship. Jacob counted them all. I don't know if I stuck this in last week or not. It was missing a peg. This thing was heavy. It's like $13 to ship it. So that was terrible. I barely made any money on it, even though I paid maybe $1 at a yard sale. I generally don't pay any more than $1 unless it's a sealed game. And yeah, so 21.11. Someone asked me in the comments, on one of the comments, how would I ship this and make any money? Basically all I did was slip this in I've got some huge poly bags. So I just slipped it in the poly bag and taped the edges all around so there's not any loose corners flapping around to get caught in any of the processing machines. And I just like anybody else. So I sent it through Pirate Ship. I'm almost positive. Maybe it was cubic. I don't think so. It'd been a little right at the edge. But Pirate Ship would have been your only choice to save me money. Other than that, you got to pray that it's somebody who lives close to you. All right. Hey, roll tide there. Got the big A there. Still happy about this weekend's results. Sorry about that, LSU fans. I'll put you out of your misery, and you don't have to look at that big A any longer. Just look at this big A. That's terrible, isn't it? So anyway, appreciate you guys for watching and supporting the channel. Um, it was a slow week, but I'm going to figure out a way to work around. Johnny's got a pretty heavy schedule this week. With this is Monday, and we've already been to one doctor. We've got scans and stuff tomorrow, so that's going to take. We got to be there at noon, so that's probably from noon till I'm sure 3, 4. We're not gonna get home anytime. And then I'm also trying to get the house really cleaned up and organized and made easy, so that as she's going through this, she's not going to have to worry about any of this kind of stuff. Actually, looking into getting a house cleaner for once every couple weeks, just to take any thoughts out of her mind. And then we got chemo Wednesday, another some more fluids on Thursday, and then Friday. I'm sure she's gonna be feeling terrible. So Friday's my real last day. So there'll be no estate sale video this week because I won't. The estate sales are tomorrow, and we will be getting scans. So sorry about that, but happens that way sometimes. But again, I appreciate you joining us. Thank you for keeping up with Johnny's journey. We are recording the video for her this week as we go. So we've recorded 2 sections of it, and then tomorrow at the scans we'll do some more, and then we'll do some more on Wednesday. She gets her first round of chemo, and she'll be able to tell you guys how that is, and then we'll post that up Wednesday night or Thursday morning. Awesome. Hey, roll tide. Can't find the